Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about on best practices for managing a VDR project. Best practices for managing a VDR project. Ensuring efficiency and security in your virtual data room initiatives. Managing a virtual data room project is a critical task that demands meticulous attention to details, security, and efficient collaborations. Let's delve into the best practices to ensure the success of your VDR project from inception to complications. Laying the foundations. Define purpose. Clearly articulate the primary use of VDR. Include merger and acquisitions transactions, due diligence, and IP management, etc. Establish boundaries, determine what data is to be included and what is to be excluded. Timeline creations, set realistic milestones and completion dates. Stakeholder identifications, recognize key players and their respective roles in the VDR project. A successful VDR project begins with robust foundations. Clearly defining the purpose ensure everyone is aligned on VDR's functions. By establishing boundaries, you prevent scope creep and maintain focus. A well-constructed timeline keeps the project on track. And identifying all the stakeholders ensure everyone knows their roles and responsibilities. Safeguarding data integrity, access control, implement role-based access control to ensure only authorized individual can view and edit content. Regular audits periodically review the video for any unauthorized or suspicious activities. Data encryptions ensure all data both at rest in transit is encrypted and stay updated on regulations. Continually monitor and adhere to relevant data protections and industry-specific regulations. So that's all everyone. I hope this video has been helpful for you to understand the topic. If you have any questions about the topic, please leave a comment below. So thank you everyone. Bye bye.